Unreimbursed partnership expense. We get this question all the time in our firm. Can you take the deduction? And how do you take the deduction and when? Hi, I'm Moshe Mindick, CPA, tax strategist. I'm here to help small business owners figure out how to save the most amount of taxes legally. So basically, one of the main things you got to look for in legitimately being able to take a partnership expense is to look at the partnership agreement. Because if you're a partner in a partnership and you're a 50% partner, you're a 25% partner, if the partnership agreement says you are supposed to get reimbursed for these expenses and you just didn't, maybe they're giving you a hard time, you're not allowed to take those as a deduction, because really the partnership is supposed to be paying these expenses for the partners. It's business, it's a legitimate business expense. So that's one of the things that the IRS will be looking for is it in the agreement? Who is supposed to pay for it? Just because you decided to buy a very expensive car and it costs you a lot of money to run that doesn't mean that now you can take that expense. The partnership is supposed to reimburse you for something, or all of it, or whatever that you use for business. Things like professional dues. What I find is most of the time a good partnership that's running well, it's like a good marriage, you get reimbursed for these expenses. You're not spending the money yourself and then not getting reimbursed. So we don't really see this a lot, but there are times, and there's a way to set it up that it is something that's not going to get reimbursed, but it is for the business. And maybe, it's hard to track the expenses. And to be fair, you have different type of partners. And, why should this partner get $100 reimbursed for his cell phone and another guy should get $50? So it could be a way to make a happy partnership with all the members, that everyone just pays for their own stuff, like the home office expense, your desk, your sit-stand desk, whatever. So keep in mind, you got to document all these things to make it just like any other expense that you have in any business structure. You have to document, you have to log things like, why you went to that restaurant, why you drove here and there. Document. And that's all. If you need any help, feel free to ask questions in the DM or reach out to us, and a team member will help you. Have a great day.